Hey guys, let's talk about Marque ACs. They're like the superheroes of Indian summers, right? Affordable, efficient, and they keep us from melting into puddles. But sometimes, even superheroes need a little help. That's where error codes come in. It's like your AC is trying to tell you something's wrong. Don't worry, I'm here to help you understand what your AC is saying. Think of it like this. Imagine your AC as a friend trying to tell you a joke in a language you don't understand. Error codes are like subtitles for your AC. They tell you what's wrong so you can fix it. So let's decode these error messages and get your AC back to its cool and comfortable self. Error codes are like your AC's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. They pop up on the display screen, usually as a combination of letters and numbers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Error codes? That sounds complicated. But trust me, they're not as scary as they seem. They're actually here to help. Think of error codes as your AC's way of communicating with you. Each code represents a specific problem. Once you know what the code means, you can often fix the problem yourself. So the next time you see an error code on your Marque AC, don't panic. It's just your AC trying to tell you something. Let's talk about some common Marque AC error codes. These codes can be a bit confusing at first, but understanding them can save you a lot of time and hassle. Don't worry, I'm not going to throw a whole dictionary of codes at you. Instead, we'll break down the most frequent ones you might encounter. We'll focus on the ones you're most likely to see. Knowing these can help you troubleshoot issues quickly and efficiently. One common code is E1, which usually means your AC's indoor unit is freezing up. This can be a real headache, especially during hot weather. This could be due to a dirty filter or low refrigerant. Regular maintenance, like cleaning or replacing filters, can often prevent this issue. Another frequent flyer is E2, which indicates a problem with the outdoor unit sensor. Sensors are crucial for the efficient operation of your AC. This could be caused by dirt or debris blocking the sensor. Keeping the outdoor unit clean can help avoid this problem. Then there's P1, which signals a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units. This can disrupt the overall performance of your AC system. This could be due to a loose connection cable or a faulty control board. Ensuring all connections are secure can often resolve this issue. Remember, these are just a few common examples. There are many other codes that can appear, each indicating different issues. The exact meaning of error codes might vary slightly depending on your specific Marque AC model. It's always best to check the specifics for your unit. Always refer to your user manual for the most accurate information. The manual is your best friend when it comes to understanding and resolving error codes. If you're ever in doubt, you can also try resetting your AC unit. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear minor issues. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Marque customer service. They're there to help you with any persistent problems. With a little knowledge and some basic troubleshooting, you can keep your Marque AC running smoothly and efficiently all year round. Let's talk about the E1 error code. Picture this. It's a scorching summer day and you crank up your AC, hoping for some relief. But instead of cool air, you get warm air and a blinking E1 on the display. What's going on? The E1 error code usually means your AC's indoor unit is freezing up. It's like your AC is getting a brain freeze. Imagine the frustration of expecting a cool breeze and instead feeling like you're in an ice box. This can happen for a few reasons. Understanding these reasons can help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue without needing a professional. The most common culprit is a dirty air filter. Over time, dust and debris accumulate, blocking the airflow. When the filter is clogged, it restricts airflow, causing the indoor unit to work harder and eventually freeze up. Regular maintenance like cleaning or replacing the filter can prevent this. Another possible cause is low refrigerant levels. This is a bit more complex and might require professional help. Refrigerant is like the blood of your AC, and if it's low, the cooling cycle gets disrupted, leading to freezing. Ensuring the refrigerant levels are adequate is crucial for the efficient operation of your AC. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as incorrect thermostat settings. Make sure your thermostat is set to the right temperature and mode. Regular maintenance and timely inspections can save you from the hassle of dealing with an E1 error code. Keep your AC in top shape to enjoy a cool and comfortable summer. So, the next time your AC gets too cold, remember these tips to troubleshoot and keep your home cool and comfortable. Section 5. E2 Error. Sensing trouble in paradise. Now, let's move on to the E2 error code. This one's a bit trickier. It indicates a problem with the outdoor unit's sensor. Think of the sensor as your AC's eyes. It helps the AC adjust its cooling capacity based on the outdoor temperature. When the E2 error pops up, it means the sensor is not working correctly. This could be due to a few reasons. One common cause is dirt or debris blocking the sensor. Imagine trying to see through a dirty window. That's what it's like for the sensor when it's covered in grime. Another possibility is a faulty sensor that needs replacement. Just like any other electronic component, sensors can wear out over time. Section 6. P1 Error. Communication Breakdown. This error can be quite frustrating, especially during those hot summer days when you need your air conditioner the most. Let's talk about the P1 error code. This error is a common issue that many homeowners face, and understanding it can help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem yourself. This one's all about communication, or rather, the lack thereof. When your air conditioner displays a P1 error code, it means there's a disruption in the communication line. The P1 code signals a communication error between the indoor and outdoor units of your AC. These units need to constantly exchange information to function properly. Think of it like this. The indoor and outdoor units are like two people having a conversation. If one person can't hear the other clearly, the conversation breaks down. The P1 error means they're having trouble understanding each other. This can lead to the system not working efficiently or even shutting down completely. This communication breakdown can happen for several reasons. It's important to identify the root cause to effectively address the issue. One common culprit is a loose connection cable between the units. Over time, cables can become loose due to vibrations or improper installation. It's like trying to talk on a phone with a loose wire. You might hear bits and pieces, but the connection is poor. This can cause intermittent communication and erratic behavior in your AC system. Another possibility is a faulty control board in either the indoor or outdoor unit. The control board manages the signals and commands between the units. The control board is like the brain of the AC, and if it's not working correctly, communication between the units can be disrupted. Replacing a faulty control board can often resolve the issue and restore proper function to your air conditioning system. Regular maintenance can help prevent these issues. Ensuring that all connections are secure and that the control boards are functioning properly can save you from unexpected breakdowns. By understanding the P1 error code and its causes, you can take proactive steps to keep your air conditioning system running smoothly. This knowledge empowers you to handle minor issues and know when to call in a professional. Remember, a well-maintained air conditioning system not only keeps you cool but also extends the lifespan of your unit, ensuring comfort for years to come. Section 7. Cleaning and maintenance. Keeping it cool and clean. Now that we've decoded some common error codes, let's talk about how to prevent them in the first place. Just like your car needs regular servicing, your AC needs some TLC to keep it running smoothly. First up, cleaning. A dirty AC is a recipe for disaster. Dust and grime can clog filters, block sensors, and reduce efficiency. Make it a habit to clean your AC's air filter every 2 weeks, especially during peak season. It's a simple task that can prevent a whole lot of trouble. Next, schedule annual maintenance with a qualified technician. They can check refrigerant levels, clean the indoor and outdoor units thoroughly, and spot potential problems before they escalate. Section 8. When to call for backup. Don't DIY everything. While some AC problems can be fixed with a little DIY spirit, there are times when it's best to call in the professionals. Remember, ACs involve electricity and refrigerant, both of which can be dangerous if handled incorrectly. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components or handling refrigerant, don't hesitate to call a qualified AC technician. It's also a good idea to call for professional help if the problem persists even after trying the basic troubleshooting steps, you suspect a refrigerant leak, or you notice any unusual noises or smells coming from the AC. Remember, safety first. Don't take any risks when it comes to your AC. Section 9. Conclusion. Happy AC, happy you. So there you have it. We've decoded some common Marque AC error codes and learned how to fix or prevent them. Remember, understanding these error codes is like having a superpower. It gives you the knowledge to keep your AC running smoothly and avoid those dreaded summer meltdowns. By taking care of your AC and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure a cool, comfortable, and happy summer for you and your loved ones. And that's something worth celebrating.